Want to know how to create a QR code here in Canva? It's very easy, so be sure to watch till the end. So for this example, I will put it on the RSVP. This is like a very popular thing now using QR codes. So you can really use this. Then go to apps and search for QR code. Next, add your URL where you want to direct someone after they scan your QR code. You can also customize the background color and the margin. Once you're satisfied, click on Generate Code. And there you go! Want more Canva tips and hacks? Then comment down yes. Be sure to follow my page to stay updated. See you in my next video. Bye!